In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your files and folders using Dropbox. We'll cover everything from setting up your backups to managing them and touch on some key points you should keep in mind to make the process as smooth as possible. First things first, if you haven't already, ensure that you have the Dropbox desktop app installed on your computer. This is essential because the desktop app is where you'll manage your backups seamlessly. Once you've got that sorted, the next step involves opening the Dropbox app. If you're using Windows, you can find it in your system tray, and if you're on Mac OS, it'll be located in the menu bar. Click on your avatar or your initials, which you'll see in the top right corner, and then select Preferences. In the Preferences section, you'll want to navigate to the Backups tab. It's right there waiting to help you get everything backed up. Click on Manage Backups, or, if it's your first time, you might see an option to set up instead. Either way, this will lead you to selecting the specific device or folder you want to back up. If you're looking to back up your computer itself, you can choose important folders like Documents, Desktop, and Downloads. On the other hand, if you want to back up an external hard drive, make sure it's plugged into your computer and then choose it from the list to start the backup process. Once you've made your selections, confirm to start the backup. Dropbox will then proceed to sync your chosen items to the cloud and keep them safely backed up. It's a straightforward process, but it works wonders by ensuring your files are protected and accessible from anywhere. Now, let's move on to managing your backups. This is just as important as setting them up because it gives you control and flexibility over what's being stored in the cloud. Head back to the Dropbox app and, once again, click on the Backups tab. Here, you'll be able to select any backup you've previously set up to manage. You can view the files you've backed up, check the status of your backups, change which folders are being backed up, or even delete a backup you no longer need. For viewing your backed up files online, it's equally simple. Just log in to Dropbox.com, and once you're in, click on Backup from the left sidebar. This will give you direct access to all your synchronized files and provide peace of mind knowing that your data is secure and available whenever you need it. And that wraps up our walkthrough. By now, you should be fully equipped to set up and manage your file backups using Dropbox, ensuring your important data is safely stored in the cloud. Thanks for joining.